So previously I made a video on a JG A47 that I was working on, and the front sight broke off. What I've replaced this with is a LCT LCT, I'm not sure. I have a sticker right here. Let me go grab it. But this part's made out of steel. Let me show you that with a magnet. There we go. I quite have a small enough one. And then the original JG is made out of some shitty zinc alloy, which, as you can see, broke off at the top. It's refused to adjust with a couple AK sight tools. But this one, while it is a bit longer and doesn't quite go as low as the original, as you can see, it does work. It actually went in just a little bit smoothly, not quite, but this one works. I'll put the model number in the description, that way you can buy one. They are cheap, they are great, but appears to not be compatible with everything.